Top 5 sedans with lower maintenance and repair costs. Number 5. 2014 Infiniti Q50. The Infiniti Q50. Turbocharged speed, reliability, and affordability. Experience the thrill of speed with the Infiniti Q50, equipped with a powerful twin-turbo 3.8-liter V6 engine that propels this sedan to top speeds of up to 145 mph. Not only does it deliver impressive performance, but the Q50 also boasts a reliability score of 3.5 out of 5, according to RepairPal. For those seeking a combination of power and durability, the Q50 is an excellent option. But what sets it apart even further is its affordability. RepairPal reports that the average annual maintenance cost for the Q50 is a mere $648. With the Infiniti Q50, you can have it all: speed, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Don't miss out on this exceptional package. Number 4. 2010 Ford Taurus SHO. Introducing the impressive 2010 Ford Taurus SHO. A powerful, reliable, and turbocharged sedan. With a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, this car delivers a whopping 365 horsepower and 350 pounds-foot of torque. Not only does it boast features like direct fuel injection, variable intake valve timing, and 2 small turbochargers, but it also has a proven track record for longevity. According to RepairPal, this Taurus SHO has a reliability rating of 3.5 out of 5.0, making it a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable vehicle. And when it comes to maintenance, you'll be pleased to know that the average yearly cost is only $697. While Ford models may have slightly higher estimated maintenance expenses over the first 10 years, the Taurus SHO is still an excellent investment that can go the distance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a car that will last you many miles. Number 3. 2017 Nissan Maxima Platinum. The 2017 Nissan Maxima is a standout among full-size cars, boasting a reliability rating of 3.5 out of 5, according to RepairPal. With its well-appointed cabin and impressive long-term reliability, this sedan is a solid choice for buyers. Equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 gas engine and CVT, the 2017 Nissan Maxima Platinum CVT offers a powerful and smooth driving experience. While some may worry about maintenance costs, both RepairPal and CareG assure that this Nissan is relatively affordable to maintain in the short term and long term. Number 2. 2014 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is highly reliable, with a rating of 3.5 out of 5.0 on RepairPal. This luxurious sedan offers a spacious interior, exceptional handling, and exhilarating acceleration. It is also known for its durability, making it one of the best choices for those seeking a used sports car that can last up to 500,000 miles. The Audi A4 is widely renowned for its impressive performance, featuring a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and a top-notch interior. While maintenance costs may be higher in the short and long term, this sedan remains the top choice for enthusiasts who desire both luxury and long-term durability. Number 1. 2011 BMW 5 Series. The 2011 BMW 5 Series earns a reliability score of 3.0 out of 5.0, as reported by RepairPal. Despite this rating, it remains a strong contender in the world of full-size luxury sedans, boasting impressive engine options. The base model 528i engines generate 240 horsepower, while the turbocharged V8 engines in the 550i deliver an impressive 400 horsepower. These powerful engines, combined with the high-tech cabin, offer a luxurious and powerful driving experience that is unmatched in its class. The 2011 BMW 5 Series is highly regarded as one of the best midsize sports sedans available. While it may not be the most cost-effective option in terms of annual maintenance, this BMW compensates for it with its stunning appearance and unparalleled power. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.